Welcome to Infinity Workflows. So, today I'm going to start a series of videos that could include how n8n actually improve their businesses to grow their revenue, save time, and obviously increase their leads. So, today we have a business case study part one, that is lead scoring. So, the SaaS startup companies generally score the leads manually, which could take around 10 to 12 hours per week, and this could obviously result in the low lead conversions. This could impact in 15 to 20% of leads missing. So for that not to happen, for that to avoid, we are going to use a business case study here. This is the PPT that I have created. So this includes, the headline says AI powered lead scoring with Apify SaaS startup automation case study. This is what we are going to discuss about. And the challenge is manually assesses leads from the forms, and it spend 8 hours per week and missing 15% of high value leads. This could definitely impact delayed follow-ups and reduce conversions and lack of data limits. Solution for this is to automate the lead scoring using their website data. So just scrape the website and use it for lead scoring through AI agent will definitely help to automate all these things and update it to our sheets or either Slack. So the tools that we have used is just the Trig, Apify, OpenAI, custom code, Gmail, and the Google Sheets. And I didn't use a custom code, but if you want we can. And the process is just to capture the leads and scrape their website, and AI will score with custom boost. So this could definitely result in 8 hours per week time saved by automating scoring, and 20% boost in the lead management, and 5k monthly saved. Let's dive into the tech workflow of an n8n. So here we have this n8n workflow, which is very simple, and I'll explain each and every node how to set up, and let's dive into this. First, I have pinned this data because I don't want to run, and I'll unpin and let's start. So at first, we should have on form submission. The leads will submit this form. So for that, the form title is lead capture. The description is we will get back to you soon. As the lead is filling the form, he will see the description as we will get back to you soon, and this is our URL. So when you open this URL in the other, just if you execute this step, and you can see here this is the test version of your form. You just fill the name, email, industry, and company URL. So let's get back to this and just stop listening. The form elements that we should have is field name, that element type is text, and email is a required field. Industry, you can keep it as required if you want, and the company URL is must because we are going to scrape by using their URL. And the respond when the form is submitted. So when you execute this step, you'll get, just paste your URL here and you'll get a form here. Just fill that, and I'm just pasting a company URL. So the form is submitted, and you can see here I get all the details of the lead. The next thing is to get the HTTP request for scraping the lead website. So for that, we are using HTTP request as the post request, and for this we are going to use Apify. Just get into the Apify and look for the website content crawler. Just check on website. You can check here, it was in the first place. Just go try for free version, and then just go to the API. We need API endpoint. Just click on API endpoint, and we need run actor synchronously and get dataset items. So it will run the actor and it will bring out the items. So just copy this and paste into the n8n URL, and then send headers. So you say, you just keep the name and the value, and authorization is very much important. Authorization should be bearer space your API key. So you just go back to the Apify and go to the settings and API in integrations, and you'll find your API key. Just copy this and paste over there. And the next thing is the body is very much important here. Just specify the body as using JSON. This is the body. It should start from start URLs, and the URL should be given here, limitlessera.ai. And this is how you use body, and just execute this step. So this will scrape the website and give you in the form of text or HTML. So this will give you in the form of text or the markdown format. Just wait, and you can check here. So give in the text and the markdown format. You can use either way. The next step is the AI agent. So just get into the AI agent and open this and analyze the lead data. Name, email, industry, and analysis has been given. You just need to drag and drop from here. The analysis should be the text, json.text. Just drag and drop. And here the condition is SN score from 1 to 100. the company is, if it is well now, then give 20 points, and if the industry is SaaS or tech, because we are looking for SaaS, should give 30. And email, if it has email at the rate company.com, then give 10 for business. And you can add as much as you want. You can customize this AI agent for your company need. When I execute this step, just it will analyze this data. I have used Google Gemini Chat Model 2.5, which is a free version. I'm not going to waste my OpenAI credits for now, and I will show you about what is structured output parser. So when you look into this AI agent, you gave here required specific output format, because we need a specific output format. Like, let's get back to this. Like, we need score comma reason. Just we need these two. So that's why we need to keep a structured output parser, and the AI agent will return you the same way. You can see here the score is 70, and the reason, we just need these two terms. And the if node is for if the output score is greater than 70 or 8, depends on the company needs, then it is going to send a Slack message or email, or it will update in the Google Sheets, whatever the notes we are keeping here. And if it is not 70, or it's not greater than 70, then it will go into the false step. We don't get any notification, so it will go into the false branch, because the lead got 70 score, and if it is greater than 70 only, then it will get back to Slack and update in the Google Sheets. And you can add an email node as well. So this is the workflow that helps to automate the lead scoring. And for this to add advanced nodes, like you can scrape link their LinkedIn and check for the recent LinkedIn posts, and you can feed that into the AI agent, so that it might give you a better score for that lead. I didn't use, because in the on form submission I didn't mention LinkedIn URL. You can mention the LinkedIn URL over there, and feed that into a scrape that and feed that into AI agent. It will give you the better results. And you can add an email node here. So this is how you can automate the lead scoring whenever the form is submitted, and it will save the storage in the Google Sheets or a table, whatever the database you uses. So this is simple and easiest way to score the leads. And for the next video, I'll post a business case study part 2, and we'll do the better automations. And thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.